Oh, oh. With the presence, permission, and blessings of Bhagwan Baba, we start this very solemn installation ceremony on the completion of 9 years for Mumbai, the 10th installation, and 8 years for Ahmedabad, the ninth installation ceremony. Mumbai chapter was founded on 13th of August 2014, and soon within 11 months gave birth to another chapter, Ahmedabad, on 31st August 2015. अभी तो जिसको बर्थ दिया उसको कंधे में कंधा मिला के साथ में चलते हैं। 1 साल का 11 महीने का ही फर्क है खाली। कंधे से कंधा मिला के चलते हैं, शायद मेहुल पे आगे भाग रहे हैं। आप पीछे रह गए, बॉम्बे वाले पीछे रह गए। Ahmedabad is towering high in the whole of country in every respect. We are very proud of Ahmedabad. और हमें खुशी है कि मुंबई चैप्टर ने स्पॉन्सर किया हुआ। So, uh, without much ado, we'll have the Diya lighting with Vedas. Vedas chanters, be ready.
सद्गमय तमसोम ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओ शांति शांति शांति।
A formal welcome to everyone who is present here. The selected few whom Bhagwan has selected are all present here. Some of the important people could not come for some very important work, but they will privately take the oath again separately. We have present with us a few trust members also. Mehul Bhai Upadhyay, trustee of the State Trust, Ahmedabad. Jigesh Bhai, trustee of Ahmedabad. Kumar and Padma, both trustees of Ahmedabad. Sanjay Upadhyay, trustee of Ahmedabad. Yes. And we have Sundareshan, member of the Trust of Mumbai Central Trust. Gopal, trustee of Central Trust. Dharmendra Bhai, trustee of Central Trust. Dilip Gadekar, trustee of the Central Trust. And myself. Welcome to everyone. And henceforth, we have been following for quite some time now, like all our important meetings, we are calling all the trustees also. भगवान ने कहा है कि ट्रस्टियों को भी सब काम सौंपो, खाली नाम के खातिर ट्रस्टी बन के नहीं बैठना है। अहमदाबाद में तो मैनेजिंग कमेटी और ट्रस्टी सेम ही है, पर थोड़ा यहाँ मुंबई में फर्क है। तो एज अ मैटर ऑफ इन्विटेशन सभी ट्रस्टीज को भगवान आते हैं तभी बुलाते हैं हम। जब भगवान आते हैं तो चेयरमैन ऑफ द चैप्टर, चेयरमैन ऑफ चाइल्ड लवर्स ग्रुप एंड ट्रस्ट मेंबर्स, इनको सबको इन्विटेशन ऑटोमेटिकली जाता है। अभी लास्ट वीक ही हमको ये दर्शन और संभाषण का लाभ मिला है भगवान का, उसकी बात बाद में करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, it will be gratitude to Bhagwan what we do last 10 seconds. We'll do first 10 seconds. Close your eyes and have intense image of Bhagwan in front of us. और भगवान को हम कृतज्ञता जाहिर करेंगे कि आज तक हमको गाइड किया है, वो इंस्पायर किया है ये काम के लिए। वो ऐसे ही हमको आगे भी हम जो शपथ लेने जा रहे हैं उसको फुलफिल करने को हमें आशीर्वाद दें। Oh, the first item is accounts of the last year. Accounts के बिना कुछ आगे चलता नहीं है। मनी मेक्स एंड मनी मार्स। तो गत वर्ष जो गया है उसमें क्या खर्चा हुआ, क्या आया, कहाँ से आया, कितना आया, वो क्या कम पड़ा, क्या ज्यादा हुआ, इसका हिसाब किताब हम देंगे। So we will start with Ahmedabad chapter first because today the host is Ahmedabad. अहमदाबाद के कुबेरा आगे आइए और आप लास्ट ईयर के फाइनल अकाउंट्स का हिसाब दीजिए।
Sairam, on behalf of Ahmedabad chapter and on behalf of Sanjay Sai Lok Kalyan Trust, our Kubera Sanjay Bhai will represent all the accounts for 2020 to 23. Sairam.
પ્રણામ સ્વામી, સાઈરામ ટુ ઓલ.
સ્ક્રીન શેરિંગ કરવું છે તમારે?
હા, કરીશું.
હા, so I'll just give you permission is there, no? All participants can screen share, correct? Okay.
સાઈરામ.
Go on.
Thank you, Sairam. We are pleased to submit the financial information of our Sri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization Ahmedabad Chapter International for the year 2020 to 23. The accounting period cover in this is 1st August 2022 to 31st of July 2023.
Very good.
So far as the income part of the during the year, the total expenses incurred by us towards various seva activities amounts to rupees 2,02,846.
Sairam, I request Sundareshan to give us Mumbai chapter accounts for 22-23.
Yeah, Pranam Swami, Sairam to all. Very nice presentation by Sanjay Bhai. He's a chartered accountant, but I'm a layman. I'm presenting myself.
अभी देखो लेमैन क्या देता है।
Pranam Swami. Our collections and expenses are given together. Amrit Kalash monthly year we had a deficit of 1,48,931. This we able to manage because of from 2019 we are the contribution from our committee members that has been utilized here. Without that we could have not done the deficit, fill up the deficit. This was the Swami's guidance. We were collecting, this amount was managed with the collection from the contribution from the managing committee members.
Maharshi Upadhyay is a Seva coordinator and Darshan Dave is youth coordinator. We had a fixed schedule for the activities last year. Apart from that, we had 3 special Seva last year, which was conducted as a part of celebration of Swami's 35th birthday. And out of this 3, one was a very special Seva in which we celebrated Children's Day for the mentally challenged school. Okay, so there were more than 200 children, and one sports day was Abhishek as well as the long bhajan session at the respective places. In April, we conducted the distribution of Amrut Kalash Seva, and we also performed in Vruddhashram visit, in which we played games with them, had a very good conversation with them, where we try to understand if they have any concerns or any stories that they would like to share. In the May Seva, we celebrate was a very big success for us. And these are some of the photos that we conducted a special seva at the pediatric ward at Civil Hospital, cancer ward. And this is the photograph of the sports day that we organized. We distributed the awards, gifts for the children, and we also even the youth member of our chapter also taken part of some of the activities. Yes, this had some more photographs of special seva, and I think this is
for the seva activities. Now let's hear from Gopal, Mumbai chapter.
Yeah, I call upon Shobha to present our activities last year.
Koti pranams at the divine lotus feet of our Lord and Master, and loving Sairams to all. So I would like to start with a quote that it says, Seva is the expression of our bhakti. And we have been very, grateful that Swami has always given us this opportunity to do seva in different kind of seva and, help society in every way possible. And we always pray that may he give us that energy and strength to continue with all that we have. So just very well presented by the Ahmedabad chapter. We do not have month-on-month bifurcation, but I would like to, give the overall gist that we have done last year. So talking about the seva that we continuously, and we're very consistent with these 4 seva, that is our breakfast seva, Gau seva, Amrit Kalash seva, and citizen seva. Now, talking about one of the
breakthrough, and this is the outcome of the last visit of Swami, that this project came up here.
So the trustee is very, he's very well, appreciated, and he's very happy to, start this program. And that is the reason our own teachers have been going there and teaching more than 140 students, senior KG
Very
students.
Nice, very nice.
And lastly, talking about the spiritual activities that we have been doing very recently. So we have been doing annual Lalita Shastranam, and very recently we have conducted in Thakur College as well. We have been also doing Lalita Sahasranamam and Vishnu Sahasranamam classes, which has been conducted weekly. Meenakshi Sundareswaram idol. So this is very auspicious for us because in the recent visit of Swami in Chikmagalur, he has basically blessed this idol, and now it will be rotated in Thakur as in Mumbai chapter. So initially it will be inaugurated in the idol will be inaugurated in Thakur College. Once when we do that, and later on the idol will be basically rotated in a Mumbai chapter.
And later on in the other chapters as well.
Yes. And lastly, we have also started with Manisha Panchakam classes, which is weekly every Thursday. So this is the overall gist of the sevas that we...
From every project. Ahmedabad is doing excellent projects. I don't consider this Ahmedabad project a Mumbai project. It is our organization project. And here we should learn from each other, copy from each other. As I always say, in our high organization, copyright is a right to copy.
Very nice.
There is no other copyright. Copyright means right to copy. एक दूसरा है नहीं. We are all one. We never consider ourselves as separate. Particularly Ahmedabad, Mumbai तो साथ में है. We were always one and we are always one and will remain one. So we'll have more and more joint projects also. HIV विलेज पे तो आपको कितनी बातें जानने मिली जो हमें पता ही नहीं था, सोचा भी नहीं था कभी. वहां जाने को डरते थे, घर के लोग बोलते थे वहां कहाँ जाते हो, HIV विलेज के अंदर जाते हो, पूरा विलेज HIV वाला है. The most solemn ceremony of the evening. Oath taking. I hope all of you have got the printout of the paper. We'll ask Sundareshan also to present it on the, to highlight it on the screen so that everybody can read. We'll first have the vote taking in English and secondly in Hindi also, if somebody wants to do it in Hindi. Is it really required or everybody having paper? Paper hai sabke paas? Hai na? So, and office bearers of Mumbai. Ahmedabad, will you please read out the names of the office bearers, committee members and subcommittee members both? And then Mumbai chapter, Gopal will read out all the names.
Ahmedabad committee members, myself, Sanjay Bhai, Kumar Bhai, Padma Ben, and Dr. Jigesh.
Right. Subcommittee members,
Committee members, Marshi, Darshan, and Pooja.
3. Jalpan nahi hai.
Jalpan is a youth, yes. Jalpan is a committee member, youth coordinator.
हाँ और बाजू में बैठा है बेटा भूल गया आप उसको नियर द टेम्पल अवे फ्रॉम गॉड ना और मुंबई गोपाल
Gopal, you're mute. Mute.
Myself, Preeti Javeri, Sundareshan, Dilip Gadekar, SP Singh. एक कमिटी मेंबर्स है, सब कमिटी मेंबर्स गीतेश गडेकर, रीटा जोशी, सोनल, देवचंद एंड 2-3 एब्सेंट है अभी इधर.
Okay.
Yeah, present is this.
Okay. Now you will repeat after me. When I say I, the I के बाद अपना नाम बोलना. नाम के बाद ऑफ अहमदाबाद चैप्टर और मुंबई चैप्टर ये बोलना. हाँ जी मेहुल भाई.
Sairam. One more addition is there that I forget. Harshad Bhai Parmar is our new spiritual coordinator for Ahmedabad now.
Ah, a loud clap for Harshad Bhai from Mumbai chapter and Ahmedabad chapter both.
अपरो मानस
मयूर भाई के सामने बहुत खिलाफ कंप्लेन आई है मुंबई से कि सब हमारे लोगों को कोचिंग करके लेके जाते हैं. पहले पूजा को लेके गए, फिर ऊंचा को लेके गए, फिर हर्षद भाई को लेके गए, अभी पता नहीं और किसको लेके जाने वाले हैं.
Or are heartily welcome to Ahmedabad anytime.
नहीं मुझे बहुत खुशी है और मुंबई चैप्टर को भी बहुत खुशी है कि सबने इतनी उन्नति की है और अच्छे से अच्छे चैप्टर में गए अहमदाबाद और वहां भी उन्होंने अच्छी सेवा की है. स्पेशल कांग्रेचुलेशन टू हर्षद भाई कि वहां भी स्पिरिचुअल कोऑर्डिनेटर की पोस्ट पे आ गए हैं. यहाँ भी स्पिरिचुअल कोऑर्डिनेटर थे, वहां भी स्पिरिचुअल कोऑर्डिनेटर है. कांग्रेचुलेशन टू हर्षद भाई. तो ऑल ऑफिस बेरर्स एंड committee members and subcommittee members repeat after me. पहले हाथ ऐसे रखो अपना सामने, भगवान के दर्शन करो, सामने भगवान को देखो और याद करो कि भगवान के सामने मैं ओथ ले रहा हूं या ले रही हूं. एक एक वर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब बोलो तब एहसास करना है कि मैं ये ओथ ले रहा हूं. उसको पालना है 12 महीने तक कम से कम. जिसको जो हिंदी में लेने वाला है वो बाद में लेना, जो इंग्लिश में लेने वाला है अभी ले लो. ओके, रेडी? गॉड इज वाचिंग यू. You're under CCTV surveillance. And it is being recorded also. Okay, right? I
Gopala Krishnan
of
Mumbai chapter
undertake on oath
undertake an oath
in the name of Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba
in the name of
name of
Bhagavan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba.
that I shall have
I shall have
full loyalty
full loyalty
and allegiance towards this lawfully established holy organization.
आप सबके हृदय में बसते मेरे भगवान के चरण में भी कोई कोटि कोटि प्रणाम. First of all, I would like to thanks all the Ahmedabad chapter members, office bearers, and all the members for this grand seva for all the year 2022. And still we are carrying for 2023. Thankful, I am very much thankful to each and every individual member of Ahmedabad chapter. Thank you very, very much. And thank you very, very much to Bombay chapter for always inspiring us for new kind of सेवा, very various सेवा. Last time जब मैं और जिगीश मिले थे तो ये जैसे बॉम्बे चैप्टर से ब्रेकफास्ट सेवा, कंटिन्यूअस ब्रेकफास्ट सेवा की बात हो रही थी हमारी, कि ऐसी एक सेवा हम कोई हॉस्पिटल में भी ब्रेकफास्ट सेवा कंटिन्यूअस कर सकते हैं. भगवान के चरणों में विनम्रता से प्रार्थना तो है कि ऐसी एक सेवा हमारे अहमदाबाद चैप्टर में से भी हो, कि एक हॉस्पिटल में मॉर्निंग में एटलीस्ट पेशेंट्स को तो वहां मिलता है, लेकिन पेशेंट्स के साथ जो लोग आते हैं उनको पैसा खर्च करना पड़ता है. तो अगर कोई वहां पर ऐसा कोई हमारे कंट्रीब्यूशन से इकट्ठा हो और वहां पर हम ब्रेकफास्ट सेवा कर सके, ऐसी सेवा के बारे में बात वो बॉम्बे चैप्टर से इंस्पायर होके की थी. तो बॉम्बे चैप्टर इज ऑलवेज इंस्पायरिंग टू अस ईच एंड एवरी टाइम. और दूसरा, आज जो हमारे दिलीप भाई गड़ेकर ने बात किया कि अब हम सबके सामने एक गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी आ ही रही है. कब आएगी कब आएगी कब आएगी? नाउ इट हैज कम ऑलरेडी विथ ऑल ऑफ अस. अब हमारी बारी है उसमें कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट करना है. एक जो प्रताप भाई ने, हमारे एक सीनियर मेंबर धर्मेंद्र भाई ने, आज धर्मेंद्र भाई का एक सबसे बड़ा रेफरेंस पॉइंट याद किया जाता है प्राड़ो. सबसे पहला शॉट उन्होंने मारा था. ऑलवेज जब धर्मेंद्र भाई की जब भी याद करेंगे तब ये शॉट, ये बात हमेशा से आएगी. प्राड़ो के बारे में हमेशा से धर्मेंद्र भाई का ये बात आएगा. ऐसे ही अब बहुत सी
बोलते बड़ा हथौड़ा मारा.
यस ऐसे ही बहुत सी अपॉर्चुनिटी अब हमारे सबके सामने आ रही है. अब तो प्राड़ो नहीं, एक साइकिल से लेके आप प्राड़ो से 10 प्राड़ो तक का हम कंट्रीब्यूशन करते. क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन करते उसके वॉल्यूम का वो इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं होता, लेकिन कौन से भाव से वो कंट्रीब्यूशन किया जाता है उसका सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यू होता है.
कोटि कोटि प्रणाम at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Sai Ram to all. सभी न्यू मेंबर्स को, ऑफिस बेयरर्स को, बोथ अहमदाबाद चैप्टर और मुंबई चैप्टर का हम स्वागत करते हैं. सबको, उनको कंग्रेचुलेट करते हैं सब मेंबर्स को. एक I take this opportunity to thank and offer my gratitude to Bhagavan for giving me an opportunity to be in his mission, divine mission. अभी बात सब लोग किया है. स्वामी का मिशन में हमको रहने का है. अभी क्या करने का है? स्वामी ने नवा संकल्प लिया है. अभी लास्ट 15 डेज का पहला हम लोग सब थे उसमें. एक ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया है. सब लोग मिल के वो अपॉर्चुनिटी को आगे बढ़ाएंगे. तो सब लोग बोला है. अभी मेहुल भाई भी बोला कितना हथौड़ा लगाने का, इतना हथौड़ा लगाने का है हमको, है. So I will take as this, and we will go to our chapter members and talk to them and make this more possible, because Swami has to give us strength and money also. Swami has to give us strength, or money has to be given by Swami only. So we will pray to Swami to give us that strength. I thank individually our chapter members who had given support to various activities by way of the participation, and also by sponsoring the activities. So we also thank the sponsors for the activities they have given us, the proper whatever contributions they have given. So once again, I would like to reiterate with the whatever Swami has given a chance for us to do this seva, Punyavati. Our mission will be Punyavati from now on.
It is 2023.
Yes, Mercy.
Sai Ram.
Jai Ram.
Just a minute. My humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. So, as mentioned by Mehul Kaka and Jalpan, we are maintaining from this year. We are maintaining seva schedule from January to December. So I'll just go through. Sorry, I'll just go through.
Okay, continue.
Yeah.
And
Okay, so talking about the forthcoming sevas, apart from breakfast seva, Gau seva, Amrit Kalash seva, citizen trainership seva, and HIV and Matru Sishu seva, which I've already elaborated, will continue with that month on month as per the calendar. Talking about very recently, we'll be having Meenakshi Sundareshwar Kalyanam on 24th of September. So that is basically, we'll be doing the first time puja of the blessed idol from Swami on 24th of September in Thakur College, followed by Garbha Sanskar program on 10th. We also going to inaugurate our own Sai Garden on 23rd of November, which will be on a very huge platform. We'll be calling upon, well-known politicians and people for the inauguration, and on the occasion of Satya Sai Baba's birthday as well. Talking about the 4th, we're also going to start our own Soul Blossom class for special
done during the weekdays. So our gurus has to go there and teach them. See. And it's a wonderful opportunity. So again, special children. So this is what.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sai Ram. Very
Sai Ram.
nice projects are planned. I have one small request to tell Mehul Bhai and Gopal Bhai both that henceforth, next time, give only special project that you're going to do in the next year. Don't mention the regular bhajans and Narayan Seva and this. That not we all are doing that. For the last 10 years we are doing, so we know that. So what is the special 1 or 2 or 3 program that you're going to do in the next year? Like here we said about the special children soul blossom class or opening of Sai Garden, like that 2 things. In Ahmedabad they said 1 or 2 things. The special that you're going to do, elaborate only that. So that we can share the information and also copy the same project in our own chapter also with the money. So they will present us the budget for the next year, 23-24. Sanjay Bhai. ये सब प्रोग्राम के लिए पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे?
दान, डोनेशन.
ये मेंबरों को तो कोई चिंता नहीं है ना मेहुल भाई को. संजय पहला हो बस, संजय भाई कहाँ से लाएंगे और सोचेंगे.
Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Sai Ram. Sai Ram, we have planned the budget for the year 2023-24. We have planned the budgeted income and budgeted expenditure. The budgeted income plan for the year 23-24, which will cover a period of 1st August 2023 to 31st of
Sundareshan. अभी ट्राई कर रहे हैं, बराबर है.
Yeah, Sai Ram. Budget for 23 and 24. First to come with the expenses. Expense is educational assistance of 1 lakh rupees. Award for educational excellence 22,000. Amrit Kalash breakfast, and that is onion means senior citizen seva. Go Mango, Joy packets, Matru Sishu seva, and Go Sava is 1,75,000. Special seva on the occasion of Shivratri, Guru Purnima and Swami's birthday 51,000. And Lalita Sahasranama Kunkumarchana 50,000, which will be budgeted as per the requirement at the time of execution. Sai Ram.
Very nice. Congratulations, Sundareshan. You can see that 1 minute. Let's come back to the same screen.
Yeah.
Please. sponsors 1 lakh rupees is only for education, 1 lakh, exactly. The
Yes.
4 or 5 students are being sponsored, and that money is coming from the sponsors directly. And the award for educational excellence, 22,000, is coming from the trust. And the balance activities from devotees, all money is funded by the devotees. So it's very nicely planned up, very good. Congratulations, Sundarshan, both of you.
Thank
Both
you.
of you have done presented the budget expenditure for 23-24 very nicely. I think that brings us to the end of the discussion for this year, but the program and the action will start from tomorrow. All the Shiva projects that we have been showing on the screen will have to come into action now, and the corresponding money for the same. Right, Mehul bhai?
Absolutely right.
Yes.
Right, Gopal?
Yes.
So all the members are with this engine, both engines. Yes?
Yes.
Say loudly, yes.
Yes.
So you have the full support of our members, don't worry. And our prayers to the Lord to bless you with success, to crown every endeavor of yours with success. All good things must end. This installation meeting also comes to an end. Thank you very much for a very patient hearing and completion of this oath ceremony, solemn ceremony. Kindly sign the copy of the oath and give it to the chairman. Chairman, please collect the oath copies from everybody so that in case whenever time arises, you can show them this oath that this is what you had said on the 20th of August, 2023.